السلام عليكم، سيلفر فانج وفيديو جديد. اليوم عندنا مقطع ترجمة أصوات البطل تشيستر، البطل الأسطوري. أعرف إنه هذا البطل بطل مستفز وتوكسيز وبيض وشو ما بتكون، بس رح نعمل له مقطع ونترجمكم أصواته من داعي الفضول فقط. وبس خليكم مع المقطع ومشاهدة ممتعة.
Pleasure or pain? You got hurted. Oh, the poor baby. Surprise! You have a strategy. Aw, aren't you special? Teamwork makes the dream work. Hold my salt. Thank you all for making me look good. I love that. Stop the hate. Appreciate. Oh, hope that made you feel better. You want salt with that? Let's run around and do random things. Go team! Carry on the salt legacy. Teamwork for the win. Yeah, you go first. I'm YouTube famous. Run, brawl, explode. Hashtag life goals. Ripperoni. To brawl or not to brawl? Was that a question? Doing it for the lulz. Best wishes. Don't look. Try passive aggression next time, please. I might be a joker, but I'm nobody's fool. Watch me as I move in a direction. The grind don't stop. Big reveal! Follow my lead! Suckers. Ta-da! Synergy is the key to victory. I've heard that somewhere. Another satisfied customer. Spoiler alert! Mom, I'm on TV! What will it be? The best brawlers make the best teams. You are worse than Mandy! Best clown in town. Please leave a review. Oh, you're so big and strong. Kind regards. All aboard the pain train! Woo-woo! Didn't we almost have it all? Let's skedaddle. It's time for battle. Hashtag, oh my god, hashtag pain. Share and like and subscribe. Where is the love? Oh, so much anger. Time for a pay rise. Hey, Mandy, are you watching this? Keep your friends close and your enemies laughing.